Welcome to the Gartner ITSM Hype Cycle in plain English by Aaron Perrott and Andrew Davies. Gartner carry out their ITSM Hype Cycle analysis each year to help IT leaders develop their ITSM roadmaps. The Gartner analysis evaluates the maturity and benefit of trending technologies. We go through the key topics in plain English, explaining how you can benefit.
Welcome to Episode 8. In this episode, we are covering Continuous Endpoint Engineering, Continuous Delivery, and Site Reliability Engineering. Let's start with Continuous Endpoint Engineering. This brings efficiency and speed to the end-user device lifecycle. Lean agile processes plus automation make it easier to request, maintain, and replace physical devices and their software. End users keep their own tech up to date and expect their employees to do the same. Your endpoints such as laptops, tablets, and mobiles are the front door into your organization. It is important to keep them up to date and ensure your employees can work seamlessly and that security isn't compromised. So why do we do this? There is an ever-increasing requirement to manage and control end-user devices from a security viewpoint. Having a centralized and robust approach to endpoint engineering is now vital. Ensuring the latest patches are on the devices, but also allowing for remote lockdown in the case of a theft is equally important. The end device is also what enables your business. If end users can't access, then they often can't work, so providing an effective delivery for all endpoints ensures your users can get to work wherever they are. Security and usability is often tied into ensuring you are leveraging the latest technology. Having a simple way to maintain endpoints also allows you to manage programs such as endpoint replacement. Being able to manage this centrally ensures any refresh can be done effectively. That same central store can also be used to report compliance, ensuring you are meeting standards required by your suppliers and customers. So how do we go about implementing this? The first step is to ascertain what you have across your estate, from laptops to tablets and mobiles through to VPN and remote connections. You may also have a mix of policies from bring your own through to fully managed. Each may have a different underlying use case and security policy. Getting all of this documented and under control first can then help identify the scope of any central management for the endpoints. Once you understand what you have, you can then look at how best to manage these centrally. This is typically a mix of using the most appropriate tooling combined with the right processes. There are many endpoint management solutions available from Microsoft through to VMware, but by understanding your estate, you can make the right decision on what makes sense to use. Even with a central tool, it's important to ensure that using, replacing, and managing those devices is done seamlessly through your IT service management catalog. Users should be able to request changes or report issues in one place as well. Integration and automation between your catalog and the endpoints is also important. If a user requests a change or an update, try to keep this automated. Equally, if a user reports an issue, the resolving team should be able to see any errors through the management platform. Longer term, turning this into a proactive alert from the management to the support teams will further mitigate any end user downtime. The next topic today is continuous delivery. This is closely aligned with the Agile framework and shares many common principles. The CD software development methodology extends Agile to ensure frequent and automated release of code changes. This approach emphasizes seamless integration, automation, testing, and streamlined deployment processes. By maintaining a deployable state of code at all times, continuous delivery enables teams to swiftly deliver new features, enhancements, and bug fixes into production with minimal manual intervention. This results in reduced deployment risks, faster time to market, and ultimately delivers higher quality software reliability and efficiency. So why do we do it? Well, it offers a range of benefits that transform software development. By automating and standardizing release processes, it minimizes deployment risks and errors. Swift and incremental updates reduce feature delivery time and thus enhance user experience. Collaboration between development and operations improves as teams work closely throughout the development lifecycle. And immediate feedback from automated testing drives code quality and reliability. CD accelerates innovation by enabling frequent feature releases. That could boost team morale with faster, more controlled deployments and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Ultimately, the main benefit that continuous delivery can bring is an agile, high-quality software efficient resource utilization, and increased end-user satisfaction. So how do we do it? To effectively integrate continuous delivery within the Agile framework, a culture of clear communication and collaboration needs to be established between the dev, test, and operations teams. Automation tools must be embraced for tasks such as building, testing, and deploying pipelines. A robust suite of automated tests needs to be created to ensure code quality and prevent regression. Modular design should also be prioritized, along with decoupling to enable independent feature deployment. Adoption feature toggles, for example, will enable the separation of deployment from release, allowing controlled feature activation. A culture of continuous improvement with frequent retrospectives will refine the processes. By adopting these practices, teams could seamlessly combine the speed of CD with the adaptability and collaboration of Agile, resulting in an efficient, quality-focused software deployment. Final topic today is site reliability engineering. This is a methodology pioneered by Google, blending software engineering practices with traditional IT operations. The primary goal of SRE is to create a robust and scalable software system that can deliver exceptional performance and reliability. SRE bridges the gap between development and operations teams, focusing on automating processes, monitoring system health, and proactively addressing potential issues. By setting and measuring service level objectives, SRE ensures a balanced approach to reliability and innovation. By aligning technical effort with the overarching business objectives, this approach cultivates a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. Why do we do this? The adoption of site reliability engineering offers a range of benefits. From focusing on reliability, organizations can significantly reduce downtime, ensuring a seamless user experience and safeguarding their brand reputation. The focus on automation and proactive strategies enables teams to identify and mitigate potential problems before they impact users. Collaboration between development and operations teams accelerates innovation and shortens time to market. Embracing service level objectives instills a data-driven mindset and helps align technical advances with business goals. SRE enhances system performance, resilience, user satisfaction, and ultimately overall business outcomes. So how do we do this? When it comes to implementing SRE, there is no standard one-size-fits-all guideline. The crux lies in constructing a well-structured approach that tackles the fundamental aspects of site reliability engineering: reliability, automation, measurement, proactive practices, and inter-team collaboration. This approach should harmonize with your organization's goals and challenges. Common steps to consider to achieve success include forming a dedicated SRE team composed of professionals well versed in both software engineering and operations, clearly setting service level objectives to define reliability and performance benchmarks. Harness the power of automation for task provisioning, monitoring, and incident response. Build robust monitoring and alert systems to aid in proactively detecting and resolving issues. Nurture a culture of learning and improvement, facilitated by blameless post-incident reviews. Encourage collaboration between development and SRE teams to support innovation and ensure a holistic understanding of the system. Ongoing refinement of processes, leveraging insights gained from SLOs, data analysis and feedback to accommodate the evolving nature of the system. That concludes episode 8 of our Gartner Guide in Plain English. For any questions, comments, or for further assistance, please contact hello@ktsl.com. And thank you for listening.